Hello friends, a very good afternoon to everybody, and today I come with the message of the day and tarot. So let's see what's the message. Okay, the first card that has come is God in charge. God is in charge. Dear God, please help me let go of this situation, giving it in faith and trust to your divine wisdom and infinite love in order to resolve and heal everything and everyone involved. So many a times we don't know what to do, and somehow we reach a point that we have done everything from our part, but probably it's a time that we give God the responsibility, or just let it on destiny, and say that God is in charge, and just let go of this situation. And the second card is this situation is already resolved. So if you see, both the cards are very much similar. I give any worries, cares and concerns to you in exchange for true peace in all ways. Thank you for resolving this in a divine perfect way. So sometimes peace is more important rather than other things, rather than the other circumstances in life. So this is saying that peace is, look for the peace in the situation right now, and the situation is already resolved, so no need to worry. So the first is God is in charge, and peace and situation already being resolved. Now this is the new deck. The third card is Yellow Jasper. If you see, this is control issues. Utilize your God-given strength and power instead of fearing that others may try to control you. So many a times we have that people are controlling our life, or we make decisions regarding other people, but it is right now this card is saying that don't give people the strength to control your life. So you feel frustrated, you feel that it's like a tug of war between you and the other people on one side, and the tug of war only stops when you drop the rope. So it's high time that you drop the rope, you stop, let people control your life, and take in charge of your life. You have the power and you have the strength. So this is regarding control issues. Okay, and now this tarot reading I'm doing, so many a times we only do tarot for career, money, health. This tarot is a personal tarot relating to yourself. Like this tarot, whatever messages I'm reading, it's for you and you alone, yourself. Okay, so we keeping you as your main priority, you keeping yourself as your main priority. Okay, first is a card of depression, loneliness, regrets. Any regrets, anything that you feeling low about, just let go of, as new opportunities, new doors are coming. So let go of anything that is from the past coming to you. Second card is a good opportunity coming your way. It can be anything work-wise or any good thing coming up in your life. The third is a card of relationships, value relationships, emotional bonding with people, family, friends, valuing your relationships right now. And the third card is burden. Stop taking burden, stop taking pressure right now, and just let go of things, let go of everything that's here right now. And as I always tell you, living for the present moment. So these are the 4 cards where I've done tarot for not for material things and not for others, but for yourself, a guidance of tarot giving to you. If you have any personal questions or anything, you can message me in the comment box, and please do share this video. Thank you for watching this. Thank you so much.